Hi everybody and welcome back to another crochet tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to see how we can crochet the foundation stitches, and in this tutorial we are going to see how to crochet the foundation single crochet stitch. The foundation stitches are a combination of two stitches, one of which is the chain stitch and the other is the stitch you are going to crochet in the second row. As a matter of fact, there are two rows crocheted at the same time. Now, in order to crochet the foundation single crochet stitch, we start by making the slip knot, and then we are going to make two chains. I only make one chain because the way I make my slip knot creates a stitch. Now insert the hook into the first chain, pull up a loop. Now we have two loops on the hook, yarn over and pass the yarn through the first loop. We still have two loops on the hook. Now yarn over, pass the yarn through both loops. This way we've made the chain stitch and the single crochet stitch. Let's see it again. Now we are going to insert the hook here, and we take both loops, both stitches, pull up the yarn, and now we yarn over and pass the yarn through the first loop. This way we've made the chain stitch here, and now we yarn over once more and we pass the yarn through both loops, and this way we've made the single crochet stitch. Again we insert the hook here and we pass it through both loops, pull up the yarn, yarn over and pass the yarn through the first loop, and the chain stitch is made. Now yarn over, pass the yarn through both loops, and the single crochet stitch is ready. Again insert the hook here and take both loops, pull up the yarn, yarn over and pass the yarn through the first loop. We still have two loops on the hook, and here it is, the chain stitch. Now we yarn over and we pass the yarn through both loops, and now we have also made the single crochet stitch. Once more insert the hook here at this point and take both stitches, both loops, pull up a loop. We have two loops on the hook. Now in order to make the chain stitch, yarn over and pull the yarn through the first loop. Here it is. And in order to make the single crochet stitch, yarn over and pass the yarn through both loops. And here it is, the single crochet stitch. And for the last time insert the hook here, take both loops and pull up yarn. Now we have 2 loops on the hook. In order to make the chain stitch, yarn over and pass the yarn through 1 loop. Here it is. And in order to make the single crochet stitch, yarn over and pass the yarn through both loops, and here it is, single crochet stitch, and so on until you reach the number of stitches you need. Thanks for being with me. Till next time, bye bye.